And Lizzie very smartly pushed the stop recording button and should have left it off while she looked for Rubisco. But no. Anyway, here's a nice little index card about why pigment is important. It basically captures the light. And Lizzie is looking for Rubisco. I still don't really get this, but apparently Rubisco just involves carbon dioxide being made into sugar. I think it's what allows... I'm pretty sure this is what basically allows carbon dioxide to be made into sugar. Is very confused right now. This is only a minute and a half. Okay, this is not worth a part 2. So, I'm gonna go into cellular respiration. Yay! But I don't have index cards for cellular respiration, but I shall make index cards for cellular. Or I can just talk. But I feel like that's not actually helpful because the biology teachers just talk, and look how much that's taught us. So, cellular respiration. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able. I need index cards for this. Damn it. Okay. And it's already 11:20. La 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 la. Okay, I'm just gonna read off the study guide I have. Cellular respiration, hopefully just me talking about it will make it stick in your head longer somehow. Cellular respiration happens in mitochondria, and which of course is found in the cell, and both animal cells and plant cells have mitochondria. And basically this makes energy. And glycolysis is the pulling apart of sugar. And the products of glycolysis are 2 2-pyruvate, 2 ATP, and 2 NADPH. No, not NADPH, only NADH. NADH, only 4 letters. So 2-pyruvate, 2 ATP, 2 NADH. And then the Krebs cycle, the product of the Krebs cycles are ATP, NADPH. No P. There's no P. P is for photosynthesis. NADH is cellular respiration, and then you add a P for photosynthesis, and it becomes NADPH. Okay, so ATP, NADH, FADH2, and CO2 are products of Krebs cycle. You have electron transfer chain, and it involves ATP synthase. Oxygen is used, and water is generated as a waste product. And then you have fermentation, which is when there's not enough oxygen. So you can't breathe, it goes into fermentation. Or when plants can't plant. Yeah, so basically, you don't get oxygen, the fermentation starts. ATP generation, in this case, is dependent on the glycolysis, the breaking up of the sugar. And electron carriers have to be empty so they can be reused, and pyruvate will pick up on electrons. And then lactic acid fermentation is in the muscle cells, and alcoholic fermentation is what causes wine. It's the yeast, the ethanol, carbon dioxide, that kind of stuff. Okay, and now this video is 4 minutes and 25 seconds, basically. And is that long enough to justify part 2? Jeez, I don't know any of this. I will probably have like something really nice by tomorrow, but you have your test tomorrow, so I can't make my video tomorrow because it doesn't make sense. Okay. What else? Yeah, I actually don't know what you have to know, so I'm just kind of making this up as I go along. But I think my index cards are very nice. So let's go through my index cards one more time. Yay! That one's a blank one. Yeah. So, photosynthesis equation. You have sugar and oxygen. No, that's your products. Bad, Lizzie. That's the products. This is the beginning. Carbon dioxide and water and light energy, and that gives you sugar and oxygen, which oxygen is what humans need, and then we breathe out the carbon dioxide, which plants need. Yay! We all help each other. How nice is that? So, plant cells where the chloroplasts are, and they're mostly in the middle of the leaf, which is the mesophyll, and stomata are the little pores, which allow the plant to get the carbon dioxide that we breathe out. And chloroplast, so you have the chloroplast, and each little stack thing is a grana, and altogether they're called granum. And so, each little disc is called a thylakoid, and the light reaction happens in the thylakoid membrane. Light reaction consists of photosystem 2, photosystem 1. They are backwards. Photosystem 2 comes before photosystem 1. They are just named backwards because scientists discovered the second one first, and they couldn't be bothered to rename it, which means we have to remember that it's in reverse. Wonderful. And so yes. So for the light reaction, you bloop 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 bloop, light collecting thing, blap, reaction center, blap blap blap, electron transport chain, and then bloop 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 bloop. This is the noise I was making when I was drawing this. Bloop 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 bloop, more light reaction thing, and then blap, and then reaction center, and then blap blap blap, like electron transport chain. You're probably not getting any of this. Anyway, next thing. Oh, so the light-dependent ones, it's chlorophyll and other molecules, and it makes basically. So it's chlorophyll and other molecules of the thylakoid to capture the light, and they convert it into chemical energy that is carried by ATP and NADPH. And then the light-independent reactions, which I smartly wrote in black after I figured out it was dark reactions. So then soluble enzymes in the stroma. They used the chemical energy of the ATP and NADPH to make sugar and other good stuff that the plant needs. Pigment. Chlorophyll is important because it is pigment. It is what captures the light. Lizzie has cool leaf bullet points. Other pigments also capture light and they move it to the chlorophyll. I'm sure you don't need to know the names, but they're at the bottom of the index card anyway. And this is a rough cross-section of a chloroplast. So you have the two double membrane and the little stack, which is called grana, and the semi-fluid stuff which is stroma, and then each little tiny pancake. So, see, grana and granum are basically stacks. Grana is one stack of pancakes. Granum is lots of stacks of pancakes. So, grana is what you have on your plate at IHOP, right? And then granum is what the whole restaurant has, because there are multiple stacks of pancakes. And then thylakoid is each pancake. So just imagine a lot of pancakes are called thylakoids because they're green. And yeah. So thylakoids are green pancakes. Grana is stack of pancakes. Granum is IHOP. Yeah. Okay. Yay! That's like almost 9 minutes. That's totally justifying part. Okay, that's part 2. We're done for now for photosynthesis, not even so tiny bit cellular respiration, mostly photosynthesis. Yay! And good luck on your test tomorrow. Whee!